We're going to start with our feet about hip distance apart, big toes and your pinky toes down onto the floor or the mat if you're using one. I want you to bend your legs and put the weight of your body in your feet. Just keep that sense of grounding and begin to lengthen through the legs, lengthen up the spine. You can allow your arms to fall. Now, as you lengthen through the crown of the head and you feel that length in your neck, you should also feel your shoulders start to drop naturally. You can either roll the shoulders back and down and then place the palms forward, spreading your fingers wide. I like doing this initially because it opens up the collarbones and the chest, reminding you to just open up as opposed to hunching forward. Once you get comfortable, you can turn the palms toward the body. Now engage the abs, pulling the belly button toward the spine. You want to engage the legs as well. You don't want to just kind of be like loose spaghetti. So nice, strong stance. If you want, you can close your eyes here. And that's mountain pose.